To an extent, there are three kinds of heat pump, broadly. Ground source, air source and water source. Ground source has been around, but in fact they've all been around for quite a long time. It's a very old technology. People think this was invented the week before last, and it wasn't. The first one in the UK went in 1952 into the Royal Festival Hall in London, and it takes its heat from the Thames. It's got an array of pipes laid in the bed of the Thames, and it's still working. It's fridge technology. It's exactly the same thing as in the back of your fridge. So once it's in and working, it ain't going to stop working. Is it right in any site? Well, there's been a big push lately with air source heat pumps, as they are cheaper than ground source heat pumps and water source heat pumps. And they do work, and they're very effective in the right situation. And the right situation is when you've got a well-insulated, relatively airtight house which has a low energy demand, a low heat demand, and you don't have mains gas. Because it's still about the same price as mains gas. And you've got underfloor heating. If you're not meeting all of those criteria, then it might be not the best thing to do. You can step up in efficiency to a ground source heat pump, which will cost more to install, but over 3 to 5 years that will balance out with an air source heat pump if you haven't got the right conditions. You still need good conditions, you still need good insulation, good air tightness and underfloor heating, but not to the same extent that you do with an air source heat pump. And then you can step up again in efficiency to water source, which will again cost you more, but is less dependent on having all those criteria met.